Finding time to do my makeup is a struggle, so I literally have 10 minutes that I can spare for myself. This is the makeup look that I opt for, something minimal, but amplified, and something that makes me look and feel really cute. So I focus on the base most of the time. So foundation, concealer, all that good stuff really goes a long way. Also, I do make sure I put a lot of glowy products underneath my foundation just to make myself look a little bit more glowing, radiant. All that good stuff. Now I'm looking at myself, I kind of look a little pale, but that's okay. I'm putting some bronzer right now, just kind of give some color to my skin and get a little nose contour going. Everything I'm using is powder product. Fun fact, this blush I literally used on my wedding. It's one of my favorites. I'm winging it out a little bit. I do love the way a wing accentuates my eyes, so I give most of the time of my makeup application to the wing. This mascara is Sorcery. I don't know what they put in the stuff, but it is literal magic and it's one of my favorites, for sure. Add a little sparkle to the center of the eye for a little extra pop. If I don't say so myself, my brows have been looking really good lately. So, I just do those real quick. My favorite lip treatment, and that is it.